Well, guys, it is the 27th. It is almost 5 p.m. I've been hearing thunder, and I came out and looked, and look at the rain clouds coming in. And I do hear thunder in the distance. So, look, there's clouds down over the mountains. What I did is I went and I put some flip-flops on. I took my jeans off and I put a pair of shorts on. Took my shirt off. My happy butt is sitting right out here until the rain comes. If the rains don't come, I'm sitting right here until they do. Woo, I hear thunder. Look at the honeybees. And this is just a few. They come here to drink because this is the nearest water. And this is just barely any of them. Since it clouded up, a lot of them's done left. Guys, it is raining. It is raining. Not hard, but it's raining. Oh my gosh. Come on, rain, rain, rain. Oh my God. God, that feels good. Thank you, Jesus. I might be wetter than a wet hen, but I'm happy.